You know, you've probably heard of quiet steel. Well, many automakers mention it as a selling point in their commercials.
Like our Rod Maloney visited the lab where engineers go to great lengths to make sure you get the quietest ride. Talk about testing your mettle.
Today's car buyers are demanding. They want quiet, less vibration. So consider this, a standard steel truck bed. Sounds like that. This is quiet steel. Same strength, same weight. But let's take this a little bit farther. Let's make these into speakers picking up the noise on the road around your car. Which would you rather have? This or this?
The engineers at Material Sciences Corporation in Canton know that a smooth, quiet car is no longer a luxury. Most car buyers now consider it a necessity.
A Chevrolet Corvette has to have a certain sound to it. A Lexus LS400 has to have a certain sound to it. And what quiet steel can allow the automakers to do is to achieve the sound that they're looking for.
MSC's quiet steel is really a steel sandwich. 2 sheets of steel with an engineered polymer in between. That polymer is only about as thick as a human hair.
When quiet steel vibrates, it transmits energy into that polymer, and that energy is dissipated as heat.
A battery of tests in extremely soundproof chambers allow engineers to eliminate noise and vibration from different car parts. This scanning laser vibrometer highlights the hot spots where the panel is vibrating the most.
Here's a quiet steel solution. This is a part of a car that goes just underneath the windshield. This is noise-reducing material, as is this, with fasteners. The quiet steel solution, this one part that weighs 1 pound less and more than that saves the car maker $5 a vehicle.
Automakers are looking for any competitive advantage, and these days reducing the weight of a car is key.
Over the life of the vehicle, that vehicle that weighs less is going down the road, it's using less fuel, it's reducing its carbon footprint over the life of the vehicle. So weight reduction is huge, and OEMs are striving to take ounces and small mass increments out of every vehicle, and we can actually often help them take pounds out of every vehicle.
Engineers put vehicles through their paces, collaborating with Ford, General Motors, Chrysler, and increasingly foreign automakers. It's that kind of success that keeps MSC growing in times that are tough for many other suppliers.
When an OEM has a noise problem, they can come to us, and they have come to us and said, here, we're struggling with this. We think quiet steel might be a solution. Here's a vehicle. See what you can find.
Yeah, it's interesting to note another environmental benefit here. Unlike the sound muffling material that can be added to standard steel, quiet steel, completely recyclable at the end of a car's life. Pretty cool.
Take your word for it. Now, you can test out quiet steel for yourself at the North American International Auto Show. There will be displays at both GM and Ford exhibits.